In today's video, we're comparing three popular creative tools: Gamma AI, Canva, and Tome AI. Each one helps you create beautiful visuals and presentations, but they work in very different ways. So, which tool is the real winner for your creative workflow? Let's find out. Let's start with Canva. Canva is a well-known design platform that gives you full creative control. You can design anything, from social media graphics and videos to logos and presentations. It's perfect for creators and small business owners who love customizing every detail. Canva's biggest strength is flexibility. You can easily adjust colors, fonts, layouts, and animations to match your brand. However, it does take a bit more time since you're designing everything yourself. But if you enjoy the creative process, Canva rewards you with professional, visually stunning results. Now, let's move on to Gamma AI. This tool focuses on speed and simplicity. Instead of designing manually, you just type your ideas or paste your content, and Gamma automatically turns it into clean, polished presentations or web pages. It's ideal for those who want to save time but still need something that looks professional. The trade-off is that you get fewer customization options, but you gain efficiency and consistency. Finally, we have Tome AI, another AI-powered tool designed for storytelling. Like Gamma, Tome lets you create presentations quickly from text, but it also allows you to generate AI visuals directly within the platform. It's especially great for pitches or creative storytelling where visuals play a big part. Tome's collaborative features also make it perfect for teams who want to build engaging stories together. So which tool wins? It really depends on your goals. If you want creative freedom and enjoy crafting visuals from scratch, Canva is your best choice. If you prefer speed and simplicity, Gamma AI is the clear winner. But if you want AI-powered storytelling and collaboration, Tome AI stands out. In the end, all three tools are powerful. It's not about which one is best, but which one fits you. So, which creative tool do you think wins in your workflow? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and tool reviews like this.